Jenka. Okay, hello.
Hello?
Yep, hi, welcome to my lobby. You wanna do the battle here?
No.
No, that's fine. That's why we don't. Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Oh wow! By the way, you have a dimple here.
Yeah. You,
Is it both sides?
yeah. But,
You know what? It's very rare. It's very rare thing. Yeah, not
mm,
all people have dimple. I don't have dimple. Yeah.
but, it can be like some people also.
See, even if you don't smile, your dimple is visible.
Oh,
Wow.
nah. It's just fake. Oh,
How can you fake that thing? I don't know. It's crazy. Yeah. That's amazing. That's amazing. No, she's gone. Yeah, guys, am I cutting in and out? Everyone, hey,
oh,
Jenka.
you have a lot of followers. Oh, that's
Yeah.
crazy.
Hello. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Palibro ko ng ano.
Bisaya.
Oh, guys, yeah, her connection is not okay.
Uy, Bisaya ka?
Right?
Bisaya?
No.
Niya nakapalihog.
Unsay pasabot nimo?
Pisti, Bisaya man kayawa. Animal. Yawa. Pisti. Uy. Nag-aasa ka, sir?
Taga-Bohol ko.
Yawa. Uy, mura man kag di man ka Bisaya lang taon. Mala ko. Sistol man eh. Yawa pag ko. Palihog. Pista, Bisaya man ang buang English. Bisaya man ang buang English. Englishan pag ikunin mo na. Nahirapan ako diri sa kalisod. Ala, yawa. Bisaya man di ay. Ala, kadaghanan ni mong followers, sir.
Ga-create ko content ron des lucky. You're so lucky kay naapil ka ba?
Ay, ate. Ana pag kuhalad. Kuan man eh. Kanang kuan ka, half ka? Half.
Hey, UK, default! Na akong mangod, di ko akong gipalihog, bagay papatay na kong puan, kanang, na akong gisugo, nadunggan din ninyo.
Ala, ate.
Mga ito default.